Lamb's Book 3, The Dropping Baby will tell you the essence of the basic physics force and what is the biggest soul and small souls. What will happen if you drop a baby from a plane? You will discover the baby which don't know the danger of being hurted or killed will feel more and more happy. Actually, this baby and an apple and the earth will feel happy when they are getting closer because they have the same property, the material property. It is just like you will instinctively get closer when you see or know where your family members, or when you see or know the people which say the same language with you just like English but not other languages. Surely if there are just remained some people say different languages with you which are survived from a war, you will more like to get closer to them but not the frogs. When you are dropping from a plane, you are the biggest soul of your body and you are afraid of death and injury. However, the countless small souls in your body don't know this truth or don't so care it. The biggest soul always control your body but the other countless small souls just can control your body when the biggest soul was drunk and got amnesia or other similar cases. Furthermore, the other little souls just like your hands and your feet will just enjoy the falling process but don't know the truth that they will be broken by the earth. There are another interesting phenomena. When you are weightless in space, you will feel very empty in your heart. In fact, your lack of the instinctive sense of happiness for close to a massive object such as the earth. When you are closing to the earth, you will be more comfortable, because not only all your bodies matter but also your biggest soul of the body will feel very comfortable in the dropping process towards to the earth. Besides, sometimes you cannot control your body when you are deeply sleeping. It is because other small souls also are sleeping. So you cannot guide those small souls for more controlling your body. And all the souls just like one pile of strings which are tied up by each other. Furthermore, one sperm just like a big soul, when it get an egg and capture another second big soul, he will soon biggest enhance his strength. So the big mixed soul, this new big life will has more abilities to capture more small or little souls called matters or energy or atoms or actually the same kind of things but different names which are described by physics. After the big soul sperm capture the egg, it will slowly capture more small or little souls to turn into a baby, then a boy or girl, then a man or women. However, when those piled up souls don't love each other so much, or hurted by other souls inside his body like the bacteria or outside his body like the earth or a dog or light wave, or the controlling abilities of the big soul are going down, then his life will get old and die. In a word, what Einstein and Newton told you why an apple dropped to the earth but not the sky was just told you the surface of the world. But Mars Lamb will tell you the most important essence why an apple dropped towards to the earth. It is the most important secret which you want to know so long. The Lamb's Book 4, to be continued, Google plus Lamb Mars.
Hi, I am Mars Lamb. I came from the city of Laos in China. The following content is about the review of the fifth seal about the Book of Revelation. The arrange of planets in solar system is according to Titus border law before about 200 years ago. Let's add up all the figures about the distance between the planets from the Sun. So you can get numbers 7 and 4 and 1, then minus them. You will get number about 3 and 36 and negative 36. The review of the fifth seal means that you will have an Armageddon with the 666. The following content is about the review of the seventh seal. Hello, I am Mars Lamb. I came from the city of Lambs in China. The New Year Day 777 is coming. I must use God's science theory to beat 666. Actually, I prepared this theory for 777 day, but now I must open it because some reasons. that God's science theory also can tell you the basic theory of Einstein and Newton is wrong. Because I know the God's science theory, so I also found the Holy Grail buried by God and revealed the seventh seal of the Book of Revelations. All must be taught from an apple. Newton said, "Why an apple draws towards to the earth but not the sky?" Because of the law of universal gravitation. Come on, apple. My mass larger than you, so I can grab you. However, Einstein said it is because of the curvature of space-time. Hehehe, you are all wrong. Muslims say it is because both the apple and the earth have the same property, the material properties. So they like to coast together until one of them don't like so close, because other reasons such as the apple and the earth will feel pain because the earth don't like each other enter more into their flesh body to break their original body. What means the same property? It just like you all say English, then you will feel more kind with each other. In the same time, we all say Chinese, so we will feel more kind with each other too. When you say English but I say Chinese, we have some barriers from each other. How to prove that God's theory? The baby can do it because the baby don't know he will die and feel pain when he is dropped from a plane. So you just do it and measure how he feels more happiness in the dropping process. Furthermore, the sperms also know the answer, because the sperms from one man will have more same properties with each other. So you separate them into two dishes. Then you stimulate one dish of sperms. You can observe the other one dish of sperms will have similar reactions. What's more, the other one dish of sperms will react in the same time but not react with the velocity of light. It is just like the phenomenon of the quantum entanglement. Actually, all the physical knowledge can be translated into God's science theory and use endless experiments to prove them. Muslims just say the most important basic knowledge, and it is enough to update the base of physics foundation. Please remember, actually you observe and start the world from your eastern angle is right. But you observe and start the world from far away just like God's angle is also wide. When you look your body from the sky, your body will become a very small spot. The reason that your one small spot goes far away from another small spot is because that small spot maybe is a wolf. What is important? You must know that when you are using your feet to go for getting an apple, actually, you are using one part of similar dead things, such as atoms or other physical length items. If someone cut your feet, you also can use your hands to crawl towards to the apple. Furthermore, someone cut your whole body, but when scientists connect your mind with a car, you also will drive your new body to get your loving apple. So your mind is more important for closing to get something or going far away to avoid something than the tools like your feet and your hands. When you know this truth, you will be very easy to understand God's science theory. Besides, when you are dropped from a plane, you are afraid of dying and be hurt. However, your body's matter don't know their truth. They just know that the dropping process is the only big happiness at that time. You can provide some benefits to control your whole body for shaking. However, they are enjoying the dropping process and don't care and don't know whether you or they will die or not. I am Muslim. If you think I am wrong, so please prove it. There is my letter of challenge for you. Now I must to write more my little holy book. Goodbye, my dear friends.